Here's a quick video for you. This is Lamborghini Urus, the 2020. What I wanted to show you about this car, this I think is the battery here. If you don't drive the car for a few months or whatever, a few weeks, depends how your battery is charged, there's a problem. There's a lithium ion battery in here, okay, made by LG, and it's got a controller inside. So I left the car only for 2 weeks without driving, and I was surprised I couldn't even start the car. The car had 0 volts over across the terminals, and turns out the battery got discharged and the controller inside locked it. So it basically disconnects the battery from the main terminals, and I had 0 volts, so I couldn't start the car or anything. So I had to open the battery and restore data on it so I can recharge the battery again. So as I know, this battery is like $4,000 or $5,000. So eventually we restored it and the car is back to life. But the advice is to keep it on the charger anytime you don't drive it. Otherwise it's going to be really expensive for you to replace, because dealer just going to replace it, they're not going to restore it. That's one of how to remove it. Pretty simple. It's 10mm bolts in here, and right there 13 13mm bolts. You remove it and it's pretty straightforward. You remove this metal piece and the whole battery will come out easily. That's it. Enjoy your Lamborghini. That's it. And I just want to tell you, on this Lamborghini we're working the amplifier failed and we're repairing it. But like I said, we were quite surprised that the battery died just like this, so be careful. Same thing on this battery for Mercedes, McLaren, other guys. Same thing, 2 months, brand new battery, 0 volts. So we had to fix this one as well. The future doesn't look that bright, to me at least. It becomes very expensive.